Ancient rope knot techniques passed down from our ancestors. The last one is about to disappear. 1. Self-releasing knot. Everyone, please take a look. When lowering objects from a height to the ground, this self-releasing knot is used. Its tying method is extremely simple. You can learn it instantly. But remember one thing. One rope is the main rope. The other is the secondary rope. The load must be on the main rope. That way the knot will be secure. After the object reaches the ground, pull the secondary rope and the knot releases. Very practical. 2. Retrieval knot. First, fold the rope in half. Place it under the stick. Then fold back the secondary rope. Insert it into the loop. Tighten the main rope. Fold the main rope again. Insert it into the loop. Tighten the secondary rope. Now the retrieval knot is complete. The loop size can be adjusted freely. Very flexible. If something falls into a narrow space, aim the loop at the object. Tighten the main rope, then retrieve it easily. Very useful in critical moments. 3. Many people tie bags like this. First, tie a simple knot, then make a slip knot. It's hard to tighten properly and difficult to untie. Here's a recommended method. Fold the rope and wrap it around the bag opening. Make a simple slip loop. Pull the rope tight first, then fold the rope end through. Pull the front end tight, fast and secure. When you need to untie it, it opens in 1 second. 4. Strong cloth corner knot. Place a stone on the cloth corner. Fold the corner back. Wrap both sides over it. Place the rope underneath. Wrap the rope end once. Insert the cloth corner into the opening. Pull the main rope to secure. 5. Firewood bundle knot. Wrap and weave the rope. Tighten scattered branches. Pull both ends. It tightens instantly. 6. Towing knot. The short rope is secondary. The long rope is the main rope. Pull the main rope through the upper loop. Wrap the secondary rope around it. Fold and pass through the loop. Tighten the main rope to finish. Even 10 oxen couldn't pull it apart. The harder you pull, the tighter it gets. Pull the short rope to release it. Very practical. 7. A straw vegetable bundle knot my grandmother taught me. You only need one straw. Wrap it around a few times. Fold the tail and tuck it in. Pull the main rope to secure it. 8. Heavy lifting pole knot. First, tie a simple knot. Form a loop. Put it on the object. Tighten both ends. Stable and safe. Tie a simple carrying knot above. Fold one rope. Wrap another rope twice. Pull out a loop. The carrying knot is finished. Insert a pole. It stays stable under load. Remove the pole when unloaded. The rope won't jam. You can gather it quickly. 9. A knot taught by my aunt. She said this magic knot is very simple. It can be untied in 1 second. 10. Cargo packing knot. Each pull locks it tighter. Keep pulling until tight. Secure it at the end. 11. Chinese knot. Tie a simple knot, thread another rope through, thread it back, pull out 2 loops. The Chinese knot is finished. 12. Key knot. Pull out a loop, put it on the key, twist it into a figure 8. Pull out 2 strands. Tighten the rope. 13. What if the bag opening is too short? Press the bag against the rope. Wrap the rope downward. Insert your finger in the loop. Grab the bag opening. Pull the rope tight. Pull the bag away. The bag ties itself. Very useful. 14. Tie knot from a clothing shop owner. Find the second loop. Pull it through. The tie knot is complete. Share it with others. 15. Lay the rope, wrap and pull. Pull out a loop from inside. A sliding loop knot. Adjust the loop size easily. Very practical. 16. Handle knot taught by my sister. In winter, she wraps handlebars, warm and anti-slip. It works for slippery handles too. Very practical trick. 17. Ladder knot. Wrap rope around the stick. Pull back the loop. Place it on the stick. Repeat on the other side. Used by ancient soldiers. Also called marching knot. 18. Windproof hanging knot. Simple to tie, strong and secure. Used for hanging items or clothes. 19. Tent knot. Hook the rope on the stake. Make a loop. Make another loop 15 centimeters above. Wrap once more. Tie a knot above. These loops adjust tension. Pull up to tighten. Pull down to loosen. You will use it someday. 20. A way to store rope neatly. It won't tangle. Make a slip loop first. Pass the rope through. Pull loops alternately. Repeat until finished. Very satisfying. It shortens the rope. It won't tangle anywhere. Pass the rope end through loops. When needed, pull the rope end out. Pull once. The rope opens easily. Very practical. Follow me for more rope knot tips.